Lesitimela sihlinzeka ngezempilo eziseqophelweni eliphezulu emphakathini oswele.
The equipment that is here is unbelievable. The technology put up here, it's a mobile hospital, better than even some of the hospitals we have. And I think this investment means a lot because it travels and reaches areas where our hospitals can't reach. It goes to the people. And I think this is the greatest idea I've ever seen.
Kumphakathi obalelwe 70 ozuza kulolu hlelo lwezempilo njalo ngonyaka. Sinesisebenzi ezingama-20 kanti abasebenza ngaphandle kwenkokhelo abangama-40 nababuye esifundeni ngasinye esivakashela lesitimela. Sihlinzeka ngesitsiza zokunakekelwa kwamehlo, amazinyo kanti nokwelulekwa ngekwengqondo.
When it comes to the issue of vaccines, I think the train is also open for whatever proposals that are there, but that it's managed at the strategic level by our management. So we cannot rule that one out.
Yize kunjalo imigomo ye-COVID-19 ikhahlameze kakhulu indlela isitimela esisebenza ngayo. Manje sikwazi ukuhlinzeka ngosizo abantu abangama-70 ngosuku. Lesitimela sizozinza eBhayi kuze kube uLwesihlanu oluzayo.